What if a simple oversight could lead to the loss of over 200 lives and billions in property damage? This isn't a hypothetical scenario, but a reflection on the tragic Beirut warehouse explosion of 2020, a preventable catastrophe that still echoes in the hearts of many. Let's delve into the events leading up to, during, and after this disaster, and perhaps we might learn something about the importance of safety and vigilance. In the heart of Beirut, Lebanon, on the 4th of August, 2020, a disaster of immense proportions struck. A warehouse in the city's port, containing hundreds of metric tons of improperly stored ammonium nitrate, ignited, triggering a catastrophic explosion. The fallout was devastating, resulting in over 200 fatalities and widespread destruction. The damage to the port and surrounding neighborhoods was estimated to be between $3.8 and $4.6 billion. Prior to the explosion, multiple letters had been sent to authorities warning about the danger posed by the chemicals. However, these warnings fell on deaf ears. The exact cause of the ignition remains unknown, with theories ranging from sparks from welding works to an intentional act. In the aftermath of the explosion, the political class in Lebanon was overwhelmingly blamed for the disaster. Survivors grieved, sought justice, and questioned the involvement of major political parties at the port. The explosion's timing, shortly after the caretaker prime minister received a file on the situation at the port, was deemed suspicious. The explosion also exacerbated Lebanon's economic crisis, with the city facing currency devaluation, power outages, and shortages of essential supplies. Rebuilding efforts have been primarily privately funded or supported by non-profit organizations, but many affected individuals lack the means or desire to return to their damaged neighborhoods. To further complicate matters, reports suggest that less ammonium nitrate exploded than initially thought, leading to speculation that factions in Lebanon may have siphoned off the chemical. The FBI estimates that approximately 552 tons of ammonium nitrate exploded, significantly less than the 2,754 tons that arrived in 2013. The whereabouts of the missing shipment remain a mystery. In summary, the Beirut warehouse explosion was a catastrophic event that claimed numerous lives and caused extensive damage. It was a result of improperly stored ammonium nitrate and the lack of action despite multiple warnings. The aftermath saw a grieving nation demanding justice and accountability from its political leaders, while struggling with an exacerbated economic crisis. The exact cause of the ignition and the discrepancy in the amount of ammonium nitrate that exploded remain unresolved. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of negligence and the importance of safety protocols. It underlines the need for vigilance, accountability, and proper management of hazardous materials. It's a lesson we must all take to heart, lest history repeats itself.